Governor Gary Herbert will loosen COVID-19 restrictions. Today, he announced a plan to transition a large portion of the state from orange on the color-coded scale down to yellow.
Some of the most populous areas will remain under tighter restrictions. Fox 13's Ben Winslow broke the story last night. He joins us now from Capitol Hill. Ben.
A large part of the state will see an easing of restrictions starting this Saturday, but some of the most populous areas will still remain at a higher risk level.
Since the beginning of the pandemic in Utah, this state has been driven by database decisions.
The governor announced effective Saturday, most of the state will move to a low risk level. Summit, Grand, Wasatch counties, Salt Lake City and West Valley City will remain under tighter restrictions.
We're eager to see decreases there and improvement in some of the numbers and the turgreen points, the benchmarks.
The state says we've plateaued on COVID-19 cases and hospitals have not been overwhelmed. So more sectors of Utah's economy can reopen with health guidelines. Schools will remain closed. Gatherings up to 50 people will be allowed. Team sports can resume, but symptom checking for players and social distancing for spectators is enforced. Elderly and immunocompromised people remain in a high-risk category.
We're encouraged to still practice excellent hygiene, social distancing, masks.
Our request to the governor was to remain in orange for one more week.
Salt Lake County Mayor Jenny Wilson says she would have preferred to see more data before taking this step. She says urban areas still have higher cases.
I also recognize that we got to get back at it. I'm just suggesting we continue to do it in a safe way. We continue, again, to have our public comply with common sense.
We are really trying to balance staying safe and also getting our economy up and running. And it's complicated.
Moab's mayor says their local health department requested to keep tighter restrictions until the end of this month. The virus can be brought in from outside and their hospital is small. But the community is reopening.
There is an ask from the Moab community that when you come here, please take care of yourselves and our community and follow the CDC guidelines. Practice social distancing, cover your face. When you can't practice social distancing, wash your hands and enjoy all that Moab has to offer.
Now, other cities have and will ask to go back to a higher risk level, but that decision's made by the Utah Department of Health and the governor's office. Now, the Navajo Nation sets its own level of emergency, and that is because it is sovereign lands. Live on the Hill, Ben Winslow, Fox 13 News, Utah.